Good morning, everyone. The bell just rang, and it is a Wednesday morning, the last full day before we get a shortened trading week, so a half-day Thursday and a day off on Friday. A few things I'm watching right out of the gates. We have Boeing looking for that underneath yesterday's low and the prior day's low at 215.16. After that, we have Netflix here. I kind of like it over yesterday's high for a quick pop. We would be clearing some major daily resistance. And then lastly here, Tesla, which has a pre-market high here at 647.50. And if we can start to clear that, then I like this one bouncing and continuing to the upside. So that's what I'm watching. I have those three things loaded up in here on the trade tab, and I will keep you updated if anything happens. All right, Tesla's catching a little bit of action after it's been consolidating for a couple 5-minute bars. I kind of like this. If we can see, ideally it wouldn't break this pre-market high on this candle. We would see another one, maybe a resting bar, excuse me, and then a move up after that with a new 5-minute candle with some new strength to it. So it always matters how we get to the target. It's not just a fact of whether or not the target breaks. It also depends on the context in which this is all happening. So this context right here would be completely different if, there was a bunch of tight consolidation just below, and then boom, we got a pop. It's completely different if this green bar comes up and breaks it. I wouldn't really necessarily be interested in taking it long there. And, there's a number of reasons why, but basically all depends on context here. You can see our alert just got hit. We will wait to see if we get a little bit of pullback action, some sideways, and then a break. Again, don't really like the fact that this is gunning up here so fast on, a pretty green bar here. So a little pullback would be ideal. I will keep you updated. All right, here comes Tesla for our level. We'll see if we can get some continuation here. Again, I do like the context now of this pattern that we have a couple of candles worth of consolidation. So we'll see if we can anticipate a high of day break. We do need to see some larger size coming in on this level 2 down here. There we go. We're just going to hop in here anticipating that high of day break in at 310. We will see what happens. We need to turn auto send on. That almost got us in trouble. So in at 310, again, want to see some of this size get chewed up here on the ask at high of day. We will be out of this trade if it dips back down below this 673 mark, but ultimately looking for a quick new high of day to be set up here. Things kind of slowing down here, not ideally what you want to see. We want to see a lot of size here on the bid, people just stepping in and buying this thing. And right now it's pretty balanced back and forth. So again, finger's going to be on the trigger to flatten if we start to see a more aggressive pullback. Just kind of want to get in and out on a pop here. And, it's not really, okay, there we go. There's the speed we want. So that's what we were looking for there. And there we go. So we will take it on any sort. There we go. Good push, good push. And on this little pullback, we're just going to bail. So out there for a quick little gain on Tesla. I'm not entirely sure what that was. Let's flip back over to our all products, our monitor rather, and just kind of see 2 orders, 2 fills. We were in at 308 and out at 388 for a quick $80 gain as fast as that. You saw it all unfold live. You saw the commentary there on Tesla. You can see it's starting to pull back now. So this strategy, again, is just take quick profits when they come. You want to see those, that move happen aggressively. Even here on Tesla, now that we're trading a contract that's really only around, upper $3, $4, you could probably take about 5 of these to be full size, and 5 times that $85 mark would have been a beautiful little scalp there to the upside. Again, for these trades, we're just looking to take advantage of the quick pop, a break of key resistance, anticipating that new high of day, and it's as simple as that. So I hope you could learn something, especially from the commentary there, and being extremely picky on the setup in terms of waiting for that consolidation. You can see Tesla is pulling back now. Our contract is around 370. So once again, you want to take advantage of the quick pop when you get it. And that's really going to wrap up today's trading. It is Wednesday, the last full day before the trading week essentially slows down for New Year's. It's December, 30th today? December 30th. So we're going to head out. We're going to enjoy the long weekend, and I hope you can do the same. Take care. I wanted to come back one more time. I didn't do this in the last live trade video, but this trade was actually alerted live in our Discord community. You can see right here, smack in the middle of your screen, Tesla. I want to see that 5-minute candle of consolidation and then the break of that 674.50 mark. You heard my commentary as that was actually happening, but this was alerted at 9:59 a.m., well before we got into the trade. If you remember from our monitor tab, we actually took the trade at 10:11:35 and we're out of the trade about 56 seconds later at 10:12:31. So again, less than a minute trade to make a quick $80. But the point there is we were really patient this morning in waiting for the proper setup. We needed to see that consolidation. We didn't want to take it on a pretty overextended move into that area of resistance, and that's exactly what happened. So again, patience really being a virtue here, paying out and making our little trade this morning. So just a one lot lesson. Hope you could learn something from all of this commentary and actually seeing the trade. With that, I do want to sign off for real now, move on with my day. I'm wishing you all a great long weekend, a happy new year, and let's come back and hit it hard on January, the new year.